Fundamental rights. We live peacefully in a society. In order to live peacefully, we must respect each other. If each person does what he or she thinks is right, then there would be chaos in the country. Take, for instance, in your class only, there are certain rules which each and every one of you have to follow, like not to talk in class, not to roam about in class, not to move out of the class. If you don't obey these rules, there will be chaos in the class. Therefore, in society also, there are certain rules which everyone have to follow to live peacefully. When the society accepts these rights as essentials, but they become the basis of rights. When we exercise our rights, we must be careful not to violate another person's right. The Indian Constitution has put down certain rights for all the citizens which are known as fundamental rights because they are considered as basic rights for the people to live in the society. They are as follows. Right to equality. It means that every person is equal in the eyes of law, irrespective of their caste, creed, or religion. Right to freedom. India is a democratic country, so right to freedom of speech and expression is very important. So right to freedom also allows its citizens to practice any profession, participate in any political movement, and to move about freely in the country. Right against exploitation. The Constitution has declared that there will be no one who can force anyone to work for less or without payment, nor children can be employed to work. Buying and selling of human beings are also illegal. The fundamental rights also make it illegal for someone who does these activities. Right to freedom of religion. The Constitution declares that India is a secular state, which means that every person has a right and freedom to practice any religion of his or her choice. Cultural and educational right. The right to education is an important right given to all the Indian citizens. It has provided for minorities to establish and maintain their own educational institutions. Government schools and are responsible for providing free and compulsory education to all children up to the age of 14 years. Right to constitutional remedies. If any citizen feels that his or her constitutional rights is being violated, he or she can seek justice from the court. This right also ensures that the citizens' fundamental rights are protected.